We're at the house and we've just finished digging out the path and the driveway. That's how deep the snow is. It's been quite the job today. It's been about an hour of digging. Plough deposits the snow from the road, obviously, and they do the sidewalks, but if you don't get out there and dig it and salt it, we've had to walk about 6 feet with it too and put it on the garden, and we've just got the car in. So here's Marky. We're exhausted now, everyone's back out, the road's still covered in snow, and we're done for the day. And if you'd like to buy a lovely house, yeah,